I wanted to talk about another feature of 1103 Water's Edge Resort that makes it a little bit different than other condos that are listed for sale. So I'm standing at the front door, my back's to the front door, and when you come in, you walk into a hallway. This makes this condo a true one-bedroom condo. A lot of condos that are for sale at the beach are not true one-bedroom condos, meaning you just walk into the bedroom, similar to what a hotel room looks like. So as you can see, you come into the hallway and your bedroom is to your right. So that makes this space look more and feel more like a home instead of a hotel room. And then once you walk down the hallway, it opens up into the kitchen and to the living room. But it's nice not to walk right into your bedroom when you enter the condo.